tol, kampayang bote. Yo, what up, Wish Bus? It's your boy, Denial RC. It's a nice view today on the Wish Bus. You know, let's celebrate. Pumikit the holy halaman, let's elevate. 50% of the peaks, you know what haters, I snap that just integrate. Well, don't invite him in the first place. It's your motherfucking birthday. You decide you want along for the ride. Let's go with the hooray. Wanna go on a road trip. Quarantine got me so sick. Let's get away, let's set the pace. Let's find a place for the beach and boats and shit. Wanna go somewhere and it's in there. You can find a song somewhere on island swimming. Damo takong dapat accelerate. Upod mga ka-originate away. Look at all the good times we generate. Man, this good stuff making me levitate. Original Pinoy mo tag nga matrumitila. Usaha mga pinili ni Lizzie diha Pilipinas. Now, up to the sea wanna party with me. Maalak is from palm trees in the far east. Punta tayo doon kung saan ang kaarawan magparang pesta. Sama ka sa aming isla. Sa Samar, tol sa Bilya. Mas masaya sa probinsya ang birthday mo. Tag mo. Tag mo. Tag mo. Yeah, I'm just fucking around, you know. Just recorded for a new song with Deadkey and with Samar and some other people. I can't really tell the details yet, but you know what I'm saying. Wish Bus, what up? Peace.
Mga kasinahon nga gintinago, nakakahont mga panhibaro.